I'm just a regular schmegular girl from the Delta, you know? What's up, you guys? It is your girl Shay, and if you cannot tell, it is time for another makeup tutorial. And also, I already have my eyebrows on and I have my face already beat, so we are going to be jumping straight into the eyeshadow. If you want to know how I made this far in the beat, I am going to link down below my detailed full glam makeup look, so you guys can check that out. But otherwise, we are about to go ahead and jump straight into this eyeshadow look.
Alright, you guys, so the first thing that we're going to be doing is applying our white eyeshadow base. You want to use white just to make sure that those colors pop.
Ooh, Jeff made this. CardiB.
Now I'm showing you guys the pink that I will be using. I'm going to go in and apply that to the back portion of my lid. I hope that makes sense. And then now I am about to go in with a lighter pink and apply it towards the front. If you zoom in on Cardi's picture, you will see she did have two different pinks. Now I'm going in with that orange color. I'm going to be applying that all over my crease, and you do want to make sure that that is good and blended. Take your time, you guys. You want to make sure that this eyeshadow is really popping. Now, as you can see, I'm just going back in and touching up those pinks. I just want to make sure that they pop more and that they are not outshined by the orange. Now I'm just further blending that orange, making sure it's very intense. And now I'll be going in with that white gold color from the palette and applying it in my inner tear duct and also on my brow bone. Now here all I am doing is applying that same eyeshadow base under my eyes. If you notice on the picture, Cardi does have some orange under her eye. So I'm applying the same orange from our crease under my eyes. I would recommend using a more fluffy brush just to make sure that that color pops more. I do regret doing that because once I went in with my eyelashes and everything, the orange kind of did get drowned out. But just keep that in mind if you guys do decide to recreate this look. Now we are going to move on to our eyeliner. I will be using a cream eyeliner just to ensure that that eyeliner is as dark as possible. I'm going to start from my inner corner. I'm going to draw a straight line and pretty much drag it across my lid. And then once we get done with that, we will be drawing a line from where our eye starts. And then from the tip of that line, we're going to connect it into the line that we just made on our lid. I hope that makes sense, you guys. Now I am just going in with some mascara, prepping my eyes for my lashes. If you guys would like a detailed how to apply lashes for dummies type of video, please let me know down in the comment section and I will try to get that out for you guys. Now as you can see, I'm applying mascara to my bottom lashes just to make those pop a little bit more as well.
Ooh,
Now I'm showing you guys the lip color that I'm going to be using. I actually got this from a hair store, I believe. And it's just a matte red color. Any red will do. And we're going to apply that. And that pretty much concludes the tutorial, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this quick little look.
What's up, up, you guys? So this is the finished look. She is popping. Oh yes, she's popping. Yes, ma'am. But all I did off camera was I did go back in with a little bit of highlight and some blush on my cheeks and a little contour, just because those are a few things that I noticed that Cardi had in her makeup. So we want to be as much as like Miss Cardi. It's like you see that highlight, girl. I don't think Cardi highlight popping like that. Just saying. Anyway. And yeah, if you guys like this video and you would like to see more celebrity inspired makeup tutorials, leave me a comment down below. Go ahead and smash that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, girl. Share, make sure everybody can see this beautiful face. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.